Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. Today we will see a mostly cloudy sky with a few showers in the morning, expecting some strong to severe storms then late this morning through the afternoon and evening hours. Look for south winds between 5 and 20 miles an hour and temperatures getting into the upper 60s and low 70s. Today we'll get up into 71 in Tupelo, 70 in Fulton, 72 in Aberdeen, Houston getting up to 70, a little cooler in Oxford at 64, likely seeing the rain earlier on today. 72 in Vernon and 71 in Sulligent will be the high, and then into the Golden Triangle. Starkville and West Point at 73. I've got 72 in Columbus. Winona getting up to 71 later on today. As we look through today, again, we are expecting rain and storms. Overall, the median amount in the region looks to be between a ½ inch and 1 inch. Some spots will likely see higher amounts. Some spots may see a little bit less than that, but we do anticipate rain and storms for all of us throughout the day today. Now, here's the latest severe risk as of 4 a.m. this morning. We have a level 3 risk advertised for areas generally along and south of US 82. But for the most part, we always encourage folks to think of the impacts, not necessarily what color you are on the map. And so we'll use our severe threat here to identify a threat level 3 for our viewing area. The main threat today will be damaging winds. We think a lot of our storms could have some damaging wind potential. Also some hail is a possibility, and we'll have to watch the tornado threat as well. It's conditional based on a couple of factors here as we move, with the timing being from 11 a.m. this morning until 11 p.m. tonight. As we look ahead here at Futurecast, notice in the morning hours there's a few isolated showers that are out here. But once we get close to the lunch hour, that's when we'll see the chance start to ramp up a little bit. And likely then early afternoon, getting some strong to severe storms rolling into the viewing area. These storms will have the potential to, again, have damaging winds and perhaps a couple of tornadoes with them and even some large hail. You'll notice how it breaks up this line a little bit. It's more of a segment here, a segment there, and a segment there. If we get more of a broken squall line in here, that may help to enhance the potential. And then we'll also have to watch and see if we get any storms isolated out ahead of that main line. That would also enhance the potential, but still some uncertainty exists with how things pan out. Now notice here, by the time we get to 10 o'clock, most of our rain and storms are out of the area and the severe threat is quickly dwindling down. Overnight tonight then, as that cold front passes, we'll get brisk northwest winds and likely see more clouds than not through the day on Tuesday, though I expect Tuesday to overall be dry and a bit chilly. So recapping here again, from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. tonight, and maybe a little bit in between that, even maybe more like 12 p.m. till 10 p.m. We'll want to be weather aware, have the WCBI mobile app, have a couple of ways to get weather alerts because of, again, that potential for damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes. And that will go for our entire viewing area here. So we always encourage you to stay connected with us on TV here on WCBI, online, and as well as on social media. Now, some of the ingredients are coming together here for this event, and we've been keeping our eyes on some of that low-level wind. That's where we can get some winds to mix down and perhaps help with a little bit of rotation. It's not overly crazy here. This is just enough, though, where that severe threat continues to be monitored in our region, and that better wind energy is off to our north and our east and quickly exits as that cold front slides through later on this evening. The other thing we watch is our storm energy here. This is fuel for thunderstorms to occur. The best energy for that is generally off to our south and our west. We sit generally in the middle here. We have enough energy for these showers and storms to form and likely to see them mix with some of that low-level wind energy. So we'll watch and see how that materializes. But once that front passes, those showers and storms will quickly diminish. Now, the one thing that all of us will see, even if we don't get a warning for our area, by the time we get into tonight and tomorrow, things looking very chilly out there, only in the 40s the next couple of days. That's because behind this front, with brisk northwest winds tonight through the day tomorrow, some cold air is filling on in for our Tuesday and our Wednesday. Temperatures will be about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Heading into Tuesday night and Wednesday night, we've got lows at night down into the mid to upper 20s out there. The good news, if you're looking for a little bit warmer weather, we're back into the middle to upper 50s into the weekend.